Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unleash the power of AI in marketing. Basically, I'm going to show you how you can use artificial intelligence such as ChatGPT, Google Bard, and so on to power your marketing. For example, you can use this in Facebook ads, Google ads, Twitter ads, LinkedIn ads, and so much more. In fact, if you are able to follow me from beginning to the end, you will be able to apply this same principle in your email marketing, web design copy, and so much more. But today, let's talk about marketing. So guys, before we go on to this video, please, I will encourage you to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn up notifications so that anytime I post videos like this, you'll be the first person to know about it. In fact, what I'm about to show you today is the same thing that I used to generate the title for this particular video. And I'm going to show you quickly. So I said, write me a YouTube title for a video on unlock AI's potential, harness artificial intelligence as your truly assistant in the marketing world. Make the title bit like. So this is actually a bonus course that I want to give to my Facebook ads masterclass students, right? So I want to create a YouTube video on how to do this. And then I told ChatGPT, this is what we call ChatGPT. All right. I told ChatGPT to write me a YouTube title, and ChatGPT came up with this particular title: Unlock the power of AI in marketing, your secret weapon revealed. And then I said, write me 10 powerful variations to use. And then it actually gave me these variations. So if I like, I can actually look at all of these things and say, oh, all right, let me choose one. Or, I can mix maybe the first one and the second one together, and then I'll have my title. But I've decided to go with this default one, which is the first one that ChatGPT gave me. So how do you go to ChatGPT? If you want to go to ChatGPT, just go to chat.openai.com. chat.openai.com. All right. So once you go to chat.openai.com, it will lead you to a place like this. So let's quickly do that. Chat.openai.com. So it will bring you to a page like this where you see a blank chat. In your own case, you will not see any history here because that is the first time you are using it. If that is actually the first time you're using it, but if you have used ChatGPT before, you will see different history here. That is what you have worked on before. And as you can see, this was what I was showing you earlier. So if I click on this unlock AI's marketing potential, you'll see that ChatGPT will bring that for me. I mean, this is what I've been working on, and then I can decide to follow up on this conversation, and then I will continue until I get my desired result. So how can you use ChatGPT to power your marketing? All right, especially for Facebook ads. So for instance, recently I was working on a Facebook ad, and then I wrote the copy myself, and then I posted it on Facebook, and before you know it, Facebook rejected it. Now, this does not only happen to me. It happens to any other expert Facebook advertiser out there. Sometimes Facebook would just, reject our ad based on their different policies. Okay. But in this case, when it's rejected, I was like, okay, let me bring this, to ChatGPT. So I told ChatGPT, I added the copy that I wrote. I pasted it on ChatGPT, and I told ChatGPT, rewrite this Facebook ad to go in line with Facebook ad policy. And it was still my copy. You understand what I mean? But it just rewrote it to fit Facebook ad policy. By the time I put it on Facebook, it was massive. Facebook accepted it. So that is one of the ways by which you can use ChatGPT. It can be your assistant. It can help you power your marketing. And I want to encourage you, don't just use ChatGPT to generate all of your copies, okay? Sometimes be the one to write it, give it details, and then you give it to ChatGPT, and then you tell ChatGPT to write it for you. Of course, there are some done for use copies that you can copy and then tell ChatGPT to write something similar, which is something I find really, really, really helpful. So let's get started. So I'm going to start from the beginning. So in this case, let's assume that you want to organize a makeup class. All right. Now, you don't even know what to do about it. Maybe you don't even know what to write or what to teach in your makeup class. Okay. So no matter what business you are into, this is something that can help you that I'm trying to show you. Okay. So let's say you are a makeup artist. So you can say something like, so I just said, write me a class outline on makeover. All right. You can hit enter on your keyboard or just click on here. So I'm just going to click on here. So you see ChatGPT is generating the outline for your makeover class. By the way, this is going to be really, really comprehensive. Okay. So, but you might just say, for example, it should just help you write on an outline on how to draw a brow, for example. So in this case, let's see what ChatGPT came up with. Makeover Masterclass. The Makeover Masterclass is designed to empower individuals with the knowledge and skills needed to transform their personal image, boost their self-confidence, and enhance their overall appearance. This class will cover a range of topics related to makeover techniques, blah, blah, blah. So it says duration, 10 sessions, 1 session per week. So it means that you'll be teaching this class for at least 10 weeks. So it says the first week or the first session, people are going to learn introduction to makeovers. So here under introduction to makeovers, they are going to learn definition and importance of makeovers, the psychology of personal image, setting personal makeover goals. And then session 2, wardrobe essentials. This is amazing. Like, you see what ChatGPT has come up with. Okay. Now imagine that this is a class I want to promote. Okay. So in my case, I might want to promote maybe a Facebook ads masterclass. Okay. I can just tell ChatGPT that this is what the class is about. Now write me a Facebook ad to promote this particular product in compliance with Facebook ad policy. But in this case, we are going to use this particular makeover class, all right, to develop a marketing copy for our makeover class. So let's just do that. So I'm just going to tell ChatGPT, write me a Facebook compliant ad copy to promote this masterclass or this class. Right. So let's see what ChatGPT has come up with. So here ChatGPT says, discover your ultimate transformation in our makeover masterclass. All right. And then it goes on to say, are you ready to unlock your true potential and boost your self-confidence? Join our makeover masterclass and embark on a journey to transform your personal image like never before. And then it goes on to outline some of the things that they are going to learn, right? And then it talks about the course duration, the location, that is, if it's a physical location, for example, let's say I'm currently in Belfast, Northern Ireland, United Kingdom. So I can decide to say I want to target people in Belfast. But if I want it to be an online class, then let it be known here. Just put online there. So certificates upon completion. If you are going to give them certificates, then it says don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in yourself, blah, blah, blah. And then it puts a link there. Now, this is a bit long. Okay. If you want it to be shorter, sometimes actually long copies work, all right, on Facebook, especially if they're interesting. But sometimes you just need short copies so that people will be able to go to your website to find out more. You understand what I mean? So for example, I have a website here where I want to organize like a Facebook ads masterclass. So you can see we have details about this masterclass on our website. So in this case, I wouldn't really want to write a very, very long copy. I'll prefer to write a short copy that is going to lead people to our website to find out more. Of course, I can also run an advert that is going to be a video. ChatGPT can also give you the script you can use for this particular video. So here I can tell ChatGPT, rewrite the ads copy, but make it shorter and fun. So let's see the result that ChatGPT is going to bring for us right now. So here is what ChatGPT shows us. Ready for a total makeover? Join our makeover masterclass. Upgrade your style. Master makeup. Rock awesome hair. Glow with confidence. Own your brand. 10 weeks to total fabness. Limited spots. Get in now. Ready for the makeover of a lifetime? Register today. Insert link. So this is shorter, but to be honest, this one doesn't really seem very appealing, but it's still something that you can edit and then use for your ad copy. So I could say, okay, rewrite without the font part. So let's see what is going to happen. So ChatGPT actually rewrote it and then make it this way, and I think this one is actually very easy for people to read, which is amazing. Okay, and if you want it to be funny, you can actually say make it funny. So this is what ChatGPT actually has to say about being funny. So elevate your style. Say goodbye to mismatched socks. All right. So this is actually a copy that you can use for your Facebook. Another way to use ChatGPT to power your marketing is you can use a set of templates, a done for you template, and send it to ChatGPT and then tell ChatGPT to rewrite it for you. Okay, so let's do that now. So this is a Facebook ad template, all right, that I have. I actually have more here, all right, but I'm just going to use one of them. So here, this particular copy has headline, it has ad text, and then it has buttons. So let's copy all of this. So, and then you go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT. So here is what I'm writing to ChatGPT. I'm going to send you a Facebook ads copy template, and then we'll tell you to write a copy based on the template. Okay, so let's see what ChatGPT is going to say. So ChatGPT says, of course, feel free to send me the Facebook ads copy template and I'll be happy to write a copy based on it. Just provide a template and I will assist you with the copywriting. So I'm just going to paste the template we copied and let's see what ChatGPT is going to say. So here's what ChatGPT says. It says, unlock your ultimate transformation. Can you see? It says free. Unlock your ultimate transformation. Wouldn't it be great if there was a quick and easy way to achieve a stunning transformation? Things like lack of confidence, outdated style, skin scare, troubles, and so on. Thankfully, there's a breakthrough way to make over your life, one that allows you to embrace a confident new you. I would love to share with you free during my upcoming makeover masterclass. So this kind of template is basically if you want to organize like a free webinar so that people will join, and then when they join and learn one or two things, you can introduce them to your main offer, which is going to be like your makeover masterclass, right? And then they'll buy from you. So this is a template you can use for your Facebook ads. Now, this same thing, you can use it for Google ads. You can use it for Twitter ads. In fact, you can use it for anything marketing. All right. If you want to write email, you can tell ChatGPT to write an email for you based on the information that you provide. Now, let me share with you quick tips, right, on how you can make ChatGPT to give you better results. Don't be generic, be specific. For example, instead of saying, write me a copy on Facebook ads marketing. No, Instead of that, you could supply ChatGPT with the details of the landing page and then tell and then tell ChatGPT to write the ad for you. So for example, if you just tell ChatGPT, write an email on email marketing, this is what ChatGPT is going to write for you, right? It's going to be like generic, okay? But if you copy this particular prompt, now what I'm typing here is what we call prompt, okay? And then I paste here and say, write an email on how one can dominate with email marketing. Give a short example of a random person achieve result with a CTA to book a free consultation. Now, CTA means call to action, okay? So let's put that in. Now, can you see this would definitely be better than the before? All right, so it says dominate your marketing game with email marketing. Hello, this will mention the name of the recipient. Are you ready to take your, and so on. Imagine this. John, a random individual like you, was struggling to generate leads and increase sales for a small business. He decided to harness the power of email marketing and the results were remarkable. In fact, you can even tell ChatGPT, instead of saying the results were remarkable, you could say something like add numbers and so on, and ChatGPT is going to add numbers for you. So here's a snapshot of John's success story. Boosted lead generation with strategically crafted lead magnets and enticing opt-in forms. John rapidly grew his email list. In just a few months, he saw 150% increase in subscribers. In fact, that was what I was saying, that maybe you could tell it to add number, but it has already done so using these particular specifics. So it also talks about engaging content. See, skyrocketed to 35%, well above the industry average. Increased sales, 30% boost in sales, and so on and so forth. Ready to dominate? Let's talk about how we can tailor email marketing strategies to your unique goals. And then it says, Brooke, can you see the free is made in capital letter? And then it says you can add a button to say book your free consultation, and then you can put your name. So basically, that is how you can use ChatGPT in your marketing. If you have any question whatsoever, please leave your questions in the comment section below, and I'll be there to answer your questions. Please, before you leave, like this video so that other people can see it. That is just the way YouTube algorithm works. And remember to subscribe to this channel and turn up notifications so that anytime I post videos like this, you'll be the first to know about it. I look forward to seeing you on the next video.